So hey everyone, this is Young256. With me everything is possible. Today we are going to solve this problem of neural filters in Photoshop 2025. Many of you have been facing this challenge, but I did a video of how to solve it in 2023. So this time and then 2024. But this time round I'm doing it with 2025. I told you Young256, with me everything is possible. Remember to subscribe. I told you I'm different from other YouTubers who just do shorter videos and run away. Here I explain everything. I make sure that even the slow learner will learn. So let's dive into the video. This is what you're facing. You see, when you open your Photoshop, you see you need to download, and let's try to download and see what comes. So many of you are facing this with Photoshop 25. So we are working on it with Photoshop. You see, when you try to download, it's not working. So here is what we are going to do. You get me? Let me try to enlarge the screen. Okay, this is our Photoshop. So this is what we are going to do. Okay, let me find a way of fixing it in the screen, the Photoshop in the screen. Okay, yeah, I think now it's fixed. So you guys are facing this problem and then you are looking for a solution. Let's dive into the video. What you're going to do is you're going to first close your Photoshop. Okay, you're going to first close it totally, refresh. Okay, make sure now you're going to download a file. I'm going to put the link in the description. The link will be in the description. When you download it, it will bring for you this Adobe Photoshop Neural Filters. You extract it as I've extracted it. Okay, you extract it. This is the file I've uploaded for you, and then you're going to extract it. You can use WinRAR, you can use 7-zip, you can use anything. You extract it. When it will ask for a password, but you'll see the password is inside the file. Okay, when you download it, come here to your files and open. The README has the instructions on what to follow if you didn't get me in the video. So we are still on the point. Okay, we are still on it. So after extracting the file, you know I uploaded a file. The link is in the description. Download it, and then the password is in the video, and still when you open that file you'll find the password in there. But still we are still here. After extracting these files will come. After extracting this will come. So what you're going to do, you're going to come to your file explorer, then you come to this PC, then you come to local disk C. Okay, then you're going to come to users. If you don't find users there, come to view here. You see, show, then hidden items should be ticked. When it is unticked, you see the epic, you won't find something. So first tick here, show, and then show hidden files, then click users, select the user you want, then come to app data. Still, if you don't see the app data, come to view, show, and then tick the hidden items, show hidden items. Okay, open the app data, then roaming. Let me hope I'm not running so fast. Open roaming. When you open roaming, open Adobe. Okay, when you open Adobe, you open the folder that has UXP. You will find it there. For any challenge, please contact me on my WhatsApp +256 770 543326. So you're going to open UXP, then you're going to follow plugins. You open those files, you'll find that 22, 26. Boom. There's something we are not seeing here, the folder we are not seeing here. So what you're going to do here, you're going to come and create a folder. Let me show you in my zip file. When you read me, you're going to create a folder 24. You see, so you're going to come here. Well, you know how we reached here. Let me hope you know. We opened. You know how we reached here. If you don't know, let me just dive a small bit back. I'm sorry. I said you come to Windows Explorer, then you come to local disk C, come to local disk C users, and then open the user you want to install, open app data. When you open app data, open roaming. When you open roaming, open Adobe. When you open Adobe, click slope down and open UXP. You open UXP. When you open UXP, open plugin storage. Open plugin storage, PHSP, open. Here we are liking the 24 folder. Create a new folder. You can name it 24. Okay, when you name it 24, you see, you're going to open it. You're going to open it. You open the 24 folder and then create another folder in the 24 folder. Call it internal. Okay, open the internal. Okay, the video is not yet done. Copy this, what you extracted, copy it and then paste it here. Paste it in your internal. Okay, we are pasting it. We are pasting it. Okay, we are pasting it. Okay, we are pasting it. So I think we have pasted it. So then close. The video is not yet done, so make sure you don't skip. If you're still on the video, then that's good. You're willing to learn. That's really good. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. That is Young256. This is the channel. Of course, this is my channel, Young256. This is the video. Install neural filters. This is the old one. You see, it's 1 year back. So we are now on the new one of 2025. So you're going to come and run your Photoshop 25. You open it. First, make sure you disable data. We disable the data. Okay. So when we disable the data, your internet connection should be off. I've disabled it. This is very important. Please note, this is very important. Note, this is very important. Disable the data and then open. Okay, so when we open, you can open any project. Let me open my old project, this one. Okay, so this is my old project. When you open my old project, okay, filters, let me first unlock the image here down. Okay, let me select it. Come to filters, new filters. Okay, let's see. I told you the video is not yet done. Please stick on the video. If you don't stick on the video, you will find yourself missing out something very important. So this is what I meant by stick on the video. You're going to miss out something very important. You see, it has not worked. Why? There are some users, when you use 24, it will work. When you use 24, it won't work. So if you find yourself in this thing, what do you have to do? Here, let me rush you up and show you. This is why I told you stick on the video, because many of you watch the video and run away. Then you come back and say it didn't work for me. But well, I teach things because I know everyone faces. So you see, some it won't work with the 24 version. So let's close it. Let's close it. Okay, we'll close the Photoshop here. We close it. So we go back to the directorate where we came, this PC, disk C, then users. Open the user you want. Open the app data. Open roaming. Open Adobe. Open the UXP. Open the plugins. Open PS. Then you see the 24 didn't work for us, but for some of you it will work. So what we are going to do, we are going to paste this same information internal in 22. If you have 22, paste it there. The same information, paste it in 26. Okay, so if you find 26, it has the Intel something, open it. Let's first copy this in the 22. Copy it there in the 22. Please follow the video carefully. I don't want you to say that you missed. The password of the folder is 123. The password of the file is 123. So you come to 23, you copy this internal. This is what we copied. Copy it. Let's just copy it from the filter where we downloaded it. Copy. Come back to where the directorate 26 internal, and then delete what you find there in internal. and then paste. And the same thing, if you find anything in the 24 folder, delete what you find in the internal and paste. If I'm going back there, so here it's going to work for us. Let's first paste it in the 26. Let's wait. Remember, here we are cracking Adobe 2025. So guys, look carefully. I don't want you to miss any part. I don't want you to say that you miss, you people fear long videos, but well, we are teaching you. So let me first pause a few until it's done copying. So it has finished copying. Then we close, we refresh. Okay, remember our internet is off. Okay, when our internet is off, come back, open Photoshop, right click, run as an administrator. It's opening. Remember, your internet is off. Yes. Okay, I'm sorry the video is getting longer, but I had to explain something. So we're opening our project. Let me open. A moment, it's loading. Okay, we're going to open. I'm sorry it's taking long, but then you have to learn. The longer the video, the time you learn. Okay, let me unlock it. This is my image. Okay, I come to filters. Okay, this is our image. I select it, filter, new filters. Okay, give it some time to load. Remember, your internet is off. You don't need internet to do this thing. You don't need internet. Let me fit it here actually as it's loading. Oh god, will it fit? Yep, fit. So you see our neural filters have opened. So now you see you can turn on the skin smoothening. Okay, you can, with 25 I'm facing a challenge of this and this, but the makeup is working. Okay, we have fixed everything in Photoshop, our neural filters. With that, thank you so much. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, that is Young256. With me everything is possible. I'm sorry this video has been long, but I had to explain everything. With that, I say bye bye. Please contact me on WhatsApp. The number is down in the description, and for anything you can send me. For any donation, please tap on my WhatsApp and I'll give you where you can send the donation. Thank you so much. With that, I sign out. Bye bye.